Former US President Donald Trump has announced to launch his own social network called Truth Social, which will be owned by Trump Media and Technology Group and is expected to begin its beta launch for invited guests next month. It is already available for pre-order in Apple's App Store, the group said in a statement. TMTG also intends to launch a subscription video on-demand service that will feature non-woke entertainment programming and will be led by Scott St. John, an executive producer from Deal or No Deal and America's Got Talent, the statement added. Trump, who was banned from Twitter and Facebook for stoking the attack at the US Capitol on January 6, was quoted as saying in the statement, "I created Truth Social and TMTG to stand up to the tyranny of big tech. We live in a world where the Taliban has a huge presence on Twitter, yet your favorite American president has been silenced. This is unacceptable," he continued. For years, Donald Trump, who wielded Twitter in particular as a rhetorical weapon during his presidency, has battled tech giants whom he argues have wrongfully censored him. The free speech fight escalated when Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the rest of the world's dominant social media platforms banned him as punishment for stirring up the mob that ransacked Congress. Ever since, Trump has been looking for ways to reclaim his internet megaphone, launching several lawsuits against the tech giants. In May, he launched a blog called From the Desk of Donald J. Trump, which was touted as a major news outlet, but he pulled it from the internet just a month later. Facebook banned Trump indefinitely on January 7th over his incendiary comments that preceded the Capitol insurrection, later narrowing the ban to 2 years. Twitter quickly followed, permanently suspending Trump's account, which had more than 88 million followers at the time, due to the risk of further incitement of violence. Trump has been holding public events, including campaign-style rallies, as he seeks to remain the nation's most influential Republican. He has also teased a potential 2024 presidential run, but has made no official announcement on his political future.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.